Hello everyone and welcome to the AutoPedia channel. 2023 has been a great year with many new car releases, and in today's video we'll compare the latest 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe 5th generation with three of his main competitors, the Honda Pilot, Toyota Grand Highlander, and as a more luxurious option, the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. So let's get started. The 5th generation of the Santa Fe model came with a huge surprise, a robust and boxy design trying somehow to separate himself from the previous generations. His new look is inspiring now more strength and makes the vehicle to look bigger. But speaking about sizes, let's have a look on the figures. And indeed, the new Santa Fe is bigger than the previous generation, having now a total length of 4 meters and 83 centimeters and a width of 1 meters and 90 centimeters. But comparing it with the rest of the group is getting on the 4th place, the winner here being as expected the huge Jeep Grand Cherokee L with his 5 meters and 20 centimeters. At the same time, the Jeep Grand Cherokee L is also the heaviest from the group, having a total weight of almost 2.5 tons, but providing at the same time the biggest ground clearance, making the Jeep's icon to be a great off-roader. Regarding the powertrains, the things are changing. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe and the Toyota Grand Highlander being the only models from the group that can be ordered with a hybrid version. The Honda Pilot having just one petrol powertrain, and for the American full-size SUV, the possibility to choose a hybrid version is reserved just for the normal Grand Cherokee. The long version having just two options, a V6 and a huge 5.7-liter V8 petrol engines. So let's speak now about the interior, and as is expected due to his reduced size, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe has also the smallest trunk volume, having a maximum of 1,100 liters of volume with just 2 seats rows. And on the other side, the big surprise from the group is the Honda Pilot that can offer a maximum of 1,685 liters of volume with 2 seats rows, and at the same time, together with the Toyota Grand Highlander being capable of carrying up to 8 passengers, only 7 being the maximum capacity for the Santa Fe and for the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. All 4 vehicles are offering as well a nice multimedia experience, and as we can see, each of them are trying to impress with a big size digital instrument cluster and multimedia display, together with a nice user interface that provides in details all the information needed on board. Here we don't have a clear winner, the offer being somehow similar for the whole group. And now let's speak about money. And in this case, the Honda Pilot with a starting price of around $38,400 is the cheapest from the group, being more than $7,000 cheaper than the most expensive one, which in this case is the newcomer, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe model, which has a starting price of around $45,000. Our conclusion is that we don't have a clear winner, each of those 4 vehicles having his weakness and strength, and because of that we decided that the conclusion should be yours. So please leave a comment with your winner. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.